Hello everyone and welcome to another video. For all the people who actively trade and invest in cryptocurrency, this video is for you. Watch the video until the end and find out what news you should watch very carefully in 2024 that can affect the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum and most of other altcoins out there. Before we start, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel and join our Telegram group for the latest crypto news and analysis. The first news you should pay attention to is about Bitcoin ETF. Over the past 10 years, the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has shut down every application for a Bitcoin ETF, which is designed to track the cryptocurrency's current market price. On June 15, BlackRock filed for SEC approval of so-called spot Bitcoin ETF. Just in case you didn't know, BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager, with more than 10 trillion in assets under management as of December 2023. SEC approval of BlackRock's ETF would breathe new life into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency markets. But what's different this time? BlackRock is proposing a fund that will follow rules specifically addressing concerns the SEC has cited in rejecting other past applications. It will close loopholes like the absence of mechanism for ensuring that customer assets cannot be diverted by the exchange to an unauthorized party. BlackRock studied the SEC's lawsuit against Binance and Coinbase Global. Then, its own application described how it would avoid problems the SEC had described. That, together with the other parameters, gives Bitcoin ETFs a big chance to get approved this time. If Bitcoin ETFs get approved, that will lead into many other companies investing in BTC and raising crypto market cap to unknown. On the other side, if Bitcoin ETF doesn't get approved, it may crash the Bitcoin price in the short term, but I believe that there will be no impact to Bitcoin in the long term and the new applications may appear. The window for approval is January 5th to 10th, 2024. The second news you should pay attention to is ETF approval. 4 months after applying for a spot Bitcoin ETF, BlackRock has filed an application for a spot Ether exchange-traded fund. The application for BlackRock Ethereum Spot ETF created a bullish impact in the crypto market, helping Ethereum surpass the critical resistance level of $2,000. Nasdaq, on behalf of the world's largest asset manager, publicly disclosed a proposed ETF named iShares Ethereum Trust by filing a 90B4 form with the SEC. The results of approval or disapproval may also be expected in January 2024. The third news you should pay attention to is the Ripple XRP case with the SEC. In December 2020, the US Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, the company behind XRP token, alleging that Ripple and its current and former chief executives had been conducting a 1.3 billion unregistered securities offering by selling XRP, which Ripple's founder created in 2012. Ripple Labs is a registered American company, meaning that the SEC is able to pursue legal action against them, unlike Bitcoin, where the creator is unknown, or other big cryptocurrencies that are registered outside of the US. In fact, one of the Ripple's biggest arguments is that Ethereum, for example, the second largest cryptocurrency, is no different than XRP regarding unregistered securities, so the question of why the SEC gives them the pass arises. For this moment, this issue is being avoided by SEC Chairman Gary Gensler. Ripple is also arguing that the SEC has no jurisdiction over XRP tokens, as many of them have been bought and sold through exchanges outside of the US. The SEC, however, is arguing that Ripple has sold XRP token in exchange for money, which meets the investment of money aspect of the Howey test. This test determines whether or not an asset can be defined as a security. More so, the SEC is also arguing that Ripple executives knew that XRP sales and trading didn't meet the principle of the Howey test. XRP is one of the mega cryptocurrencies that failed to achieve a new all-time high during the 2020-2021 bull run. The lawsuit crashed the price of XRP while making the cryptocurrency holders the biggest victims in the history, meaning that the SEC has actually hurt the people that they were supposed to protect, and that is the investors. Ripple Labs is a strong company with a great product and very experienced team. However, no one knows what Judge Analisa Torres' decision will be. There are a lot of good news for XRP, and in my opinion, there are three possible scenarios. First one is bullish scenario. Ripple wins the case against the SEC and the token gets listed on all American exchanges. In this case, XRP will skyrocket to the new highs. Second is neutral scenario, where Ripple can lose the case in the US but can continue its work worldwide. In this case, XRP should move in correlation with the broader crypto market. And the third one is bearish scenario, where Ripple could lose the case and the token gets banned worldwide. In this case, Ripple will need to find a different business model and the price of XRP can crash to new lows. It will be interesting to see what happened in the lawsuit moving forward. This brings us to the fourth news you should pay attention to, which is crypto regulations. The current state of cryptocurrency regulations is both opaque and rapidly changing. If you're a cryptocurrency investor, it's important to understand the exciting crypto rules and stay alert to what may be on the horizon. Regulations for crypto are the legal and procedural frameworks that government enact to shape many different aspects of digital assets. Cryptocurrency regulations across jurisdictions can range from detailed rules designed to support blockchain users to outright bans on the trading or use of cryptocurrencies. Digital assets regulation may address how digital money is created, bought, sold, and traded. Substantial and clear regulations are necessary for cryptocurrency to flourish and achieve mass adoption. In the USA, crypto is regulated by SEC, that says that cryptocurrencies are securities, CFTC, that says that cryptocurrencies are commodities like oil and gold, and IRS, that says that cryptocurrencies are property. So you need to pay tax for capital gains, like when you sell a house. Cryptocurrency regulation is a good thing. It can boost investor protection, detect illegal activity, and encourage mass adoption of digital assets. What's not great is a lack of regulatory clarity, complex rules, and regulation by enforcement. The fifth news you should pay attention to are interest rates. Big crypto investors will be watching central bank interest rates and a US regulatory decision on new Bitcoin products as they decide how to place their bets for the next year. The Federal Reserve is expected to ultimately cut interest rates in 2024, but in a measured way and with action weighted toward the second half. Today, the Fed funds target rate is 5.25 to 5.5. The Fed will announce decision on interest rates following its two-day meeting ending on January 31st, March 20, May 1st, June 12th, July 31st, September 18th, November 7th, and December 18th. Each decision will be announced on the Fed's website via written statement at 2 p.m. We talked more about interest rates and how they affect crypto in our previous videos. There is one more important thing for crypto in 2024, which is Bitcoin halving. But that is a story for another video. To stay up to date and get the latest news, subscribe to our channel and subscribe to our free Telegram group. Also, if you're a beginner in crypto trading and investing, you can find a free crypto ebook in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in some of the next videos.